will buy TikTok and for how much? The newly passed bill by the U.S. House of Representatives has triggered a debate across the nation as it requires China's social media platform TikTok owner ByteDance to sell the app or get banned in the country. The move was a result of allegations that China is misusing the data. Now the question is, will the Senate pass the bill? And if yes, who's gonna buy it and for how much? According to reports, Wedbush analyst Dave Ives estimated TikTok's U.S. operations value at $100 billion, predicting that it will likely drop to $40 billion if a buyout excludes the company's addictive algorithm. It should be noted that in 2023, TikTok's U.S. revenue was between $16 billion and $20 billion. However, CEO Shou Chu claimed that the company was in the red due to heavy spending on data storage, e-commerce expansion, and a data security project with Oracle. According to eMarketer, TikTok has 170 million monthly users, which surpassed Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, or X. The app reportedly generated only $200 million to $300 million in 2019, compared to 11 million in U.S. monthly active users in 2016, indicating a significant growth spurt in a short time. However, TikTok suitors require a strong stomach due to unprofitability and migraine headaches associated with owning and operating a popular social media company. Axios business editor Dan Primack and media editor Carrie Flynn report that ByteDance's non-Chinese investors, such as General Atlantic, Sequoia Capital, and Susquehanna International Group, are most likely buyers for TikTok. This is due to their deep understanding of the company, ability to execute a share swap, and potential influencer involvement. Unfortunately, due to antitrust concerns, we can't expect any big tech companies, Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft to bid, and it's unlikely that other Fortune 50 players would show interest.